Can I have Jiten Mehta of Magnus Systems on the stage, please? And Mr. Vikram Seth of Software at Work. Viren Salarkar of Atma Computers. And Deepak Chadha. So can you please have a seat? Please have a seat. So guys, we have Microsoft, we have a Tally distributor, and we have our own members to get us a 360-degree perspective on what is it that we can do to get our software sales going. All right? So look at this whole thing in terms of how does it affect you and how you can basically benefit out of this. Why are we still called the IT hardware industry? Any reason?
Because we are hardly aware.
No, seriously, you could be selling amount of as hardware. What's stopping you? All right, Kshitij,
Okay, guys, the panel discussion, the topic of the discussion is cracking the software Chakravyuh in India. A 360-degree perspective, and that's why we have.
Hello, yeah, okay. Cracking the software Chakravyuh in India, a 360-degree perspective, and that's the reason we have 360-degree of roles out here. Now, we didn't introduce the speakers from Microsoft when they came in. Let me tell you, Satish, I know him since 6 years, I think five and a half years. And shall I say this? Okay, he was evicted from Jammu or Kashmir? Uttarakhand. And would you like to share that story which you had told me? No, seriously, because we want people to know what Satish is. He was evicted from his own house and he wouldn't want us to be evicted from our business. And that's what he tells me in private communication. So for all the hardened facade that he shows, he's a very soft person at heart. And that's why he's my friend. Otherwise people don't befriend me, right? Satish, please.
You please carry.
No, please share that little story that you had told me.
Because I have told you so many stories, so I
Which story? Whichever you want to say.
So I don't remember which story. So is there any specific story that I need to narrate to you?
No, about you having had to migrate in the RD.
Right.
If it doesn't work, please take this one.
Sure.
Fortunately, one works.
So gentlemen, in my opening remarks, I have told you that it's the person and the position, right? So if I will be by your side, I will start thinking the way this gentleman has narrated his frustration of which accumulated over these years, right? It's okay. It's absolutely okay on your part. And it is absolutely okay on my part, because today I represent a company, I represent a position. But I was not Satish, a legal officer of Microsoft 8 years before. I was a legal officer working for another company, which is Max. And I guess you all know about Max, right? So my journey to New Delhi, it's not a cakewalk. It was never such a, a rosy story, right? My father came to Delhi before independence, and he struggled in his not initial years, but till the time he was surviving. I lost my father last year, but I know the amount of hard work he has put in to establish himself and his family. We are 5 brothers and sisters. Since the childhood, I have seen my father working, running from post to pillar, right, to earn a good livelihood for us. So the same inculcated automatically into us that to establish yourself, it is never easy. To establish a business, to establish yourself, to establish any XYZ thing, it requires a whole lot of skill, knowledge, patience, hard work. It's a combination of so many stuff. Likewise, Delhi is in fact, is not an easy city to live. The competition and then there are challenges, and there are a whole lot of things. So what I have learned when I was a child from my father, that stay firm, be honest, never upset people. So these were the primary ethics, these were the primary values that I got from my father. But incidentally or unfortunately, today where I am, I have to rub people, I have to rub shoulder with the people, right? And with the channel community. Having said that, let me tell you that there is a Satish which is exactly opposite if you meet me informally. And there are very few people who have seen my that avatar, right? And Kshitij, of course, one of them. I do socialize, I do a whole lot of masti, which you all do, in private or in public, right? I'm like you. But the only thing is, since because I am this, I am not this. And I do not want to be this, but I have to be this. Please understand that. I am with you. I am competent to give every response to whatever you have put in, gentlemen. Every question that you have thrown. Because I have attended I have met more than 10,000 people in the channel in last 8.5 years. I had visited 21 states out of 28 and 3 union territories. I have covered our country in length and breadth. The amount of questions that you can't think. Can you compare a mob, or basically the channel partners operating out of Bihar? What type of questions they can throw on me? Just imagine, you will go mad, you will go crazy. Because their intellectual level is, oh my God. Right? For whatever reason, they could not able to come forward, but the intellectual level of our channel partners down in Bihar and like those areas, like Assam, oh my God. I was simply arrested by 80 odd people in the year 2006 in Assam, in their territory. Right? So it is never an easy game to be in this position. But then slowly people have started realizing, the people have started knowing me as a person. So my simple request to all of you is, I have to do certain things, but it's journey. But it's not a final destination. So in that journey, to reach the final destination, I need people like Chetan. I also know Chetan for past 6.5 years, like Kshitij, and all like-minded people to put their brains together so that collectively we can achieve what the company would want me to achieve. I am nothing without you. I need you, simply. So coming back to the point, the journey of me to this place is never that easy. Please treat me that as if I am your side and I would want to be by your side. Right? I am really open, and please shoot out as many as questions, whatever frustration you have with respect to Microsoft, because this is an opportunity wherein we can start thinking Microsoft as a different company. Whatever actions, whatever misunderstanding you have, or whatever misunderstanding you are carrying in your mind, this is the opportunity wherein you can clear your doubts about the company, the great company like Microsoft. Let me put it that way. Whether Microsoft is bought by some other company, who knows? It is your interpretation, right? Your interpretation, it is my interpretation. It's okay. For a professional like me, I can start working for that. Who have thought that Nokia would be bought by Microsoft one day? 1 month back, no one. Gentlemen, no one.
3 years back when they started selling Windows Mobile, I realized.
No, you only realized. Realization is something different, gentlemen. But the action and realization are 2 different ball games. Earlier the rumors was that Apple may take over because it's a mobile company. No, rumors are rumors, right? You have your own way of interpreting things. It's okay, it's your call. So having said that, I would like to just put a rest on this, but believe in me, I am you. Simple. Nothing less, nothing more. I am you, and I would want to work with you. I want to have the same level of wavelength so that Once the wavelength matches, then we can deliver exceptional results for us. Right, thank you.
Guys, so that was a side of Satish that I knew and very few of us knew out here. So now, knowing that he is very soft, you can blow as many punches as you want towards him today, and he will not take it back with him to take it out against us. Is that a promise?
Absolutely, it's a promise. Gentleman's promise.
All right. So everything and anything you're free to ask today, and please do not worry about any reaction to that, because he is here. And when I spoke to him about 2 months ago, he promised that he is coming here as our friend and not as a
Microsoft.
Danda leke aaya hua jamadar. All right. Okay. So, Manish, I would like you to introduce yourself in the best possible way that you can. See, here I have not called you guys to just understand about how to break the software Chakravyuh, but the Chakravyuh that Microsoft people have around them.
Okay, I'll just give a background. I worked 8 years in Tech Pacific, which got bought over by Ingram Micro. Spent around 4 years with Cisco, around a year and a half with Lenovo, and now with Microsoft. So this is the first time I'm working in a software company. When I entered Microsoft, okay, I remember I was talking to my guys, Raju sitting here. I'm like, कैसे धंधा करते हैं यार लोग? I mean, you go to a channel partner and channel partner, he's scared to meet, but he doesn't have an option but to meet me. Okay, the way Kshitij was telling Jamada, I was just telling Satish, ये तो अपने को terror बना रहा है यार. Okay, so and that's not the way I have ever done business. Okay, while in Tech Pacific, I have handled various responsibilities. Samsung business, I mean, was used to be a cash business. 25 रुपया तोड़ा तो cash में लेके जाता है. You know, that kind of a business. I have handled that business in Tech Pacific. I have handled very small niche business like APC when they went into the breadth model from the sub-disti model. I was one of the guys who were responsible for getting that distribution done. I used to sell Targus bags that time, Palm handles, enterprise servers and all those stuff. Okay, so always channel facing in Cisco also, networking channel partners, Lenovo, obviously it's very channel friendly organization. So I've always spent that and the belief and खून में जो है is you have to work with the channel, move with them, and you'll definitely taste success. Okay, and that's the philosophy I have been telling my guys also. That that's the philosophy I have been brought up with as a professional, and I would like to carry ahead, whether it is Microsoft or whichever company. Okay, last one year or so, I don't know how many of you are aware. When I joined, there was one legal action which Satish did. After which I had told Satish no legal actions in Bombay. We'll work with the channel partners, we'll educate, we'll try, we'll meet up, we'll engage, and we'll ensure that the business grows without any legal action. 1 year we did not do anything. Okay, and I still believe if that's the way it can happen. I'm pretty sure if the engagement is right, if the understanding between both the parties are right, business can happen. Because after all, it's a business for you also, for me also, and obviously it serves my goal as well. So how do we get into that winning combination of the Microsoft team and the channel partners together? It's something, we have something, like I told you, we have something in mind. If you have something that would be really good, or suggestions are always welcome. Let us work together and ensure that a mutual beneficial relationship is what. And Assert, I feel, is a very good platform. All you guys are end customer facing, right? That is what I understand. So I feel engagement with you guys should be a mutually beneficial engagement for both of us. That's it.
Thank you, Manish. Now, I mean, one minute for each of our members to introduce themselves so that Microsoft people know who they are.
I'm Deepak Chadha from UNIT, based out of Bombay.
Mike,
Yeah.
close to you.
We've just started this concept of the IT and telecom chain stores together. I mean, just new now, you'll hear soon. Thanks.
Thank you. I think I already got 2 minutes of my share, so I have already introduced myself. Please.
Fine, Jiten.
Hi, I'm Jiten Mehta. I'm from Magnum Systems Private Limited. We have been incorporated in '89 and we have been partners with Microsoft, Symantec, Citrix, IBM, HP, Dell and EMC. We do mainly on a system integration on a data center side with even Cisco as a networking partner. Any infrastructure deployment we have been, that's our rather I would say is a core space.
Sure. Vikram?
Hi, my name is Vikram Seth from Software at Work India Private Limited. We have been associated with Tally as one of their master Tally partners now for about 20 years. And so we work with some of our channel partners, our own partners whom we create and enable to go out with Tally.
Sure.
So guys, if you have understood the composition of the panel discussion, then we have Deepak Chadda, who is a retailer who has recently been in news for merging some 11 companies and forming a retail chain. We have Biren Salarka, who is into right from consumer to SMB to enterprise support. Okay, yeah, okay. So he has a rich experience of supporting consumers, which he does not want to do anymore. Alright, we have Jiten Mehta, who has been primarily into enterprise segment, particularly in one thing which I would like to mention about Jiten is that he is a big player in Citrix, big system integrator in Citrix virtualization stack. And Vikram Seth. Now Vikram Seth is a master tele partner. So what we have is a retailer, a service provider who is servicing niche segment, and we have a person whose bread and butter is distribution of software. So these are the guys who will actually answer our questions and give us suggestions and take the discussion forward. Now, I mean, this is something that is a very boring part, but I have to go through it. So let me say it. Software market is growing rapidly in India. Today, small and large organizations alike have realized the value of buying genuine software, and this has also fueled a big opportunity for partners. However, piracy levels in India continue to remain quite high. Selling software in India has its own share of challenges, what we have been on and off discussing. Changing customer mindsets is still a big challenge. And I'm sure Microsoft will have a counter to this, which Manish already mentioned, giving example of LFR called Chroma. But anyway, that's our understanding. Double taxation continues to bomb this industry. It is a Chakravyuh